A Chinese company refused a job to a young man because of his mobile number. Usually when you go for a job in a company or office, they see your skills and work, and based on that you are selected for the job. But the incident in China surprised everyone. The manager of a Chinese company refused to hire the young man just because of the mobile number and rejected the application by writing the phone number on his application. The manager of an education company in China rejected the applicant simply because the fifth digit of his mobile phone number was 5, and the manager considered 5 unlucky for him. The manager of a company in China's Shenzhen province is facing severe criticism for not giving him a job because of his mobile number. After this move of the manager, the discussion of superstition has started once again in China, where superstition is still a part of many people's lives. It is being said about the company on social media that this company does not employ such people whose fifth digit of the phone number is 5.